Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the MSI MPG Z390I Gaming Edge AC motherboard. Now for a short message. This video was made possible thanks to Hornington Computers, distributors in DIY PC components, gaming laptops, as well as gaming accessories. Give them a like on their Facebook page and remember to share this video. Thanks for listening. Look at the size of it. It's tiny. It's so cute. Well, it's only slightly bigger than my cup. But anyway, let's talk about the motherboard in detail. Well, the MSI MPG Z390I features Intel's Z390 chipset and supports all of the Intel's latest 8th as well as 9th generation processors on the LGA 1151 socket. It comes in a Mini-ITX form factor and offers a ton of features you won't normally expect from such a tiny motherboard. There's 2 DDR4 DIMM slots for your memory and can support memory speeds of up to 4600 MHz on a dual channel memory mode. It also comes with built-in Intel AC Wi-Fi, Realtek Gigabit LAN, 8-channel HD audio, 4 SATA ports, 2 M.2 slots for your SSD, as well as 1 16x PCIe slot for your graphics cards. For connectivity, you get a total of 10 USB ports. Yes, 10. 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1, and lastly 4 USB 2.0. There's also 1 display port as well as 1 HDMI for your monitors. Well, what can I expect from this motherboard? Well, I'm hoping to get some decent scores in all of our benchmarks, and hopefully we'll be using this in our future project builds. But before then, let's do a quick unboxing and build a test rig using the MSI MPG Z390 Gaming Edge AC motherboard. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing of the MSI MPG Z390i Gaming Edge AC motherboard. Alright, let's see what's inside the box.
Inside the box you have the MSI True Gaming badge. There's the 4-pin RGB header for your Mystic Light Sync. 2 antennas for your AC Wi-Fi. There's 2 SATA cables. It's the I/O shield, and we have the driver disc. What's this? MSI Gaming, some info. M.2 screws, and the MSI MPG Z390i Gaming Edge AC manual, nice little booklet, and that's it.
Alright, here we go. Here we have the motherboard itself, and you can compare the size. I have a cup here, and look at this thing, it's tiny. Alright, okay, let's start with the DDR4 DIMM slots right here. You have 2, that gives you dual channel memory mode, up to the DDR4 4600 OC. You also have the PCIe slot there, 16 times for your graphics card. And notice the heat shield right here. This is for your M.2 SSD. You also have 1 at the back right here, M.2 connector. And then 4 SATA ports. So 2 at the top here and 2 at the bottom. And there's 2 large heat sinks. This is for your cooling of the VRMs and the MOSFETs. And obviously your usual 24-pin power connector right here, as well as the 8-pin for your motherboard. And let's have a look at the connectivity. On the far left end we have the USB 2.0. There's 1 display port and 1 HDMI. There's 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 and also 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2. There's also the Gigabit LAN, as well as the Intel AC Wi-Fi right here. and you have an array of audio connectors for your HD audio. So yeah, this board is tiny. I do like it. We've actually tested the ASRock's version of this, so check out the review. So we'll be building a test rig and comparing this motherboard against other Z390 as well as Z370 motherboards that we've tested previously. So without further ado, let's get cracking, and we'll see you in a bit.
I have to congratulate MSI for producing a motherboard that can seriously turn heads. This motherboard, despite its size, is pretty darn good to say the least. It's absolutely packed with some amazing features normally found on higher end motherboards. Performance wise, it's what I expected from a Z390 motherboard. It produced some decent scores in all of our benchmarks. Head over to our website for a full review. One thing that really stands out is the ability to run DDR4 memory up to speeds of 4800 MHz. I've tested this motherboard with a pair of Team Group T-Force Excalibur DDR4 4000 16GB kit, and it ran perfectly with XMP profiles enabled. I was even able to overclock the RAM further to 4300 MHz. As for CPU overclocking, the BIOS was very easy to use, and I managed to overclock our Core i7 8700K from a default speed of 3.7 to a respectable 5 GHz with good stability. So how does it compare with the Z390 Mini-ITX based motherboards, which we've already reviewed, such as the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming? Well, I have to say, based on the performance, features and overclocking ability, the MSI is my preferred choice. If you want to build a compact Mini-ITX based gaming rig that you can easily overclock, then seriously take a look at the MSI MPG Z390I Gaming Edge AC motherboard. You won't be disappointed with its performance, features and overclocking ability.
And there you have it. This is the MSI MPG Z390i Gaming Edge AC motherboard. A very impressive compact motherboard in a Mini-ITX format. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more news, reviews and hot tips. If you want to buy this motherboard, check out the links below, and until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.